Hey, welcome to 4815 186th Street right here in Brandt, South Dakota. Actually in Acreage, just northeast of Brandt, South Dakota. If you've been, dreaming of wide open spaces, peaceful surroundings, and a place where you can breathe a little easier, well, you're gonna love this place here. Let's go check it out. This 5.81 acre slice of countryside sits perfectly between Brookings and Watertown. It's quiet, it's private, and it's full of potential. We're talking 5 outbuildings, including a 36 by 48 beauty built in 2023. It's insulated, heated, has water and drains. So bring your hobbies, your tools, or even your home business dreams. There's room for animals too. Maybe a few cows, a couple of horses, or even your own mini hobby farm. Whether you're after weekend bonfires, riding the horses at sunset, or just enjoying the fresh air and quiet nights, you'll love this outdoor lifestyle. Oh, did I mention this hitching post? Yep, you got it right here. Bring the horses up to drink. Inside, you've got a super functional main level layout. Two bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan with a convenient main level laundry sharing one of those bathrooms. It's cozy, clean, and move-in ready, just waiting for your personal touch. So if you're looking for country comfort with space to grow, work, or just relax, this is your chance. Call one of the Brookings Home Team agents today to view this beautiful acreage. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. We'll see you here in the country. Bye for now.